Hey, BR Tidwell 55 here. Hey, if you're like me and you have a lot of gadgets, you know, internet devices, laptops, phone, tablet, what have you, you may find that you have a hard time sharing stuff, just files, whatever, between devices. I mean, for example, I used to shoot a lot of video with this. And if I wanted to share pictures or video that I made with this, it was as simple as pulling the SD card out, throwing it in the SD slot in my computer, and pulling files over. Now, as a matter of fact, I'm making this video with my phone, with my Android phone. Now, one way you can always works to share files between, or to get pictures, video, whatever, off your phone, is you can look around for one of these, but you know, that just gets the photo or video off your phone and onto your computer. If you want to see the same photos, let's say on your tablet, well, then you got to hunt up the cable again and drag it from your computer over the tablet. Life's too modern to put up with that noise. Now, if you're at home, there's different apps around where you can set up, you can use the different Samba file sharing apps on your devices. And that's one way, and that'll work. But something that I've found, may not be news to some of you, but I think it's pretty neat, is a little application called, right there, Google Drive. Now, I know what you're going to say. You know, I don't want to share my stuff with Google, yada, yada, yada. Well, the bottom line is, if a lot of things are going to the cloud, and file sharing is one of them, and I would never recommend that you'd ever put anything sensitive on the cloud. I wouldn't recommend that you pull your tax files off of your hard drive and put them in Google Drive. You know, I don't think you should ever want to do that. But, you know, things that are photos, videos, stuff that you might not, stuff that, you know, isn't otherwise sensitive or whatever is going to lead to identity theft or anything like that, I don't see a problem with using Drive for something like that. And I can think of a lot of utilities, like, for instance, when I am done with this video, what I could do is pull it up into Google Drive. As a matter of fact, that's probably what I will do. I'll pull it into Google Drive, and then I'll pull it off of Google Drive onto my laptop, and I'll do some editing with it, and then from there I'll throw it up on YouTube, and that's how you'll see this video. So anyway, it's a super easy way to share files between devices. And I've looked this up. I haven't tested it because I don't own any Apple devices, but I've looked it up, and it's web-based. So there is a Google Drive app for iOS. So if you've got an iPhone or an iPad, then you can certainly you can use it there. And as far as PCs go, it's like I said, it's web-based. You sign into Google, and you can Linux, Windows, Apple, doesn't matter. It's platform independent. So you know, if you're, let's say you've got an iPhone, phone, and a Windows PC, no problem. So anyway, that's BR Tidwell 55, and that's my take on Google Drive. Thanks for watching. Hey, before I close this video out, I just kind of wanted to show you how Google Drive would look in your desktop or in your browser. I use a Chrome browser. It makes it a little bit easier. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and back this up just so I can show you how I got there one more time. Alright, So basically on any tab in Chrome, you can just go up here to your apps, and any apps you've already installed in Google Chrome are going to show up here. The store comes automatically. It's already there. You'd go to the store, do a search for Google Drive, and then once you installed it, it'll show up here in your apps, and then you open it up. And here it is, and here's the actually this is the raw file that made up the first part of this video. And then also, if you look down here, you've got this option to connect Google Drive to your desktop. You click on that, and then what you'll get is you'll get a desktop shortcut, and there you go. There's that raw file. And here I've got a couple of screenshots from my phone that I'll show you, and show you how it looks on your mobile device.